Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super practical Figma trick, using variants in the component Boolean property to create a realistic on and off toggle button. This is one of those workflow hacks that can seriously speed up your prototyping and make your design files much more dynamic and easier to maintain. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a switch that you can toggle with a single click. It's easier than you think, and I'll break it down step by step. Alright, let's dive right in. I've already got a frame and a basic shape ready to save us a bit of time. Feel free to draw up something similar on your end, like a rounded rectangle for the button background and a circle for the toggle knob. The important thing is just having those basic UI elements in place, since we'll be building on top of them. Now, with both the frame and the toggle knob selected, let's turn this group into a component. To do that, just right-click and choose Create Component, or use the shortcut. That's Command plus Option plus K on Mac or Control plus Alt plus K on Windows. This step is crucial because only components can have variants and properties. Think of a component like a mold for your button. You can reuse it anywhere and tweak its behavior anytime you need. Next up, let's create a variant. Look in the right-hand panel for the Add Variant button just under the Component section. Click that, and you'll notice Figma creates a copy of your original component, linking them together visually with a purple frame. These variants are like alternate versions for your switch, one for on and one for off. Now in the first variant, stick with your initial layout. Maybe keep the knob on the left and a subdued color for the off state. In the second variant, move the toggle knob to the opposite side of the frame. Click and drag it to the right. It's just like physically sliding a light switch on your wall. To help users distinguish between states, let's also change the background color of the frame. A green or bright color for on is a classic choice, but feel free to get creative based on your design. These visual cues make your toggle much more intuitive. With the visual state set, it's time to add the powerful Boolean property. Up in the top right corner of the Properties panel, find the section to name the property. Let's call it on. It's best practice to use a clear, descriptive name so it's obvious to anyone else working with your design. Now label your variants, set false for the off state and true for on. This binary logic is what makes toggling possible with a single switch. Almost done. Head over to your Assets panel and you'll see your new toggle component listed there. Drag it onto the canvas just like any other component. Now here's the magic moment. Click on the component and you'll see a new on toggle property appear in the right-hand Properties panel. Switch it on and off and watch your button seamlessly animate between the two states. Don't worry if there's a tiny delay the first time. Figma's just getting everything set, and that's it. You've just created a reusable, flexible switch using variants and the component Boolean property in Figma. Play around with the visuals and maybe even try adding more variants for extra customization. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button. Your support really helps the channel grow. And if you have any questions or ideas for other Figma tips you want to see, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives and practical design tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.